recession can be the most challenging time to look for a new job. It doesn't matter if you've just graduated, have recently been laid off, or are looking for a new job with a better title and a higher salary. You will probably want to know the most effective strategies for finding a job in tough economic times. The high unemployment rate is one of the hallmarks of a flatlining domestic economy. It is still possible to find a job if you are strategic in your job search, even if it takes longer than you would like. It is important to remain calm, patient, and proactive when looking for a job in a bad economy and try any or all of these 8 tips. Number 1, pick and choose your targets. Even in the best of times, preparing resumes, cover letters, following up with emails, and submitting applications can be overwhelming. If you are seeking employment during a recession, you should begin by prioritizing your search. Invest your limited time and energy in opportunities that spark your interest and are most likely to lead to success. You can do this by contacting a few companies you are interested in, even if they do not currently have any openings. If they have an opening for a new position, your name will be among the first on their list. In addition, do not be afraid to apply for positions that you are overqualified for. They may be your ticket to a better position once you have shown that you are indispensable. Number 2, concentrate on growth industries. In times of recession, applying for jobs that do well in a down economy is a good idea. This will boost your chances of finding a job. There are a number of recession-proof jobs, including healthcare, energy, oil and gas, border patrol, security, teacher. You don't have to worry if none of these jobs appeal to you. There are plenty of other methods you can use to find a job in a bad economy that doesn't require you to change industries. Number 3, work your network. Your new job can come from anywhere, and you never know when or who will introduce you to it. Your summer internship manager may be seeking an assistant, or an old connection may have found a new company. Keeping in touch with your industry colleagues and attending networking events is the key to successful networking. Undoubtedly, putting yourself out there is not an easy task, but it pays off in the end. Flip through your contacts and let them know that you are seeking employment. Number 4, sell yourself. Taking stock of your strengths and achievements is an essential tip for finding a job in a bad economy. Job search success is about more than learning about a company. A significant part of preparation is learning how to communicate your career accomplishments meaningfully and compellingly. You should consider this when writing your resume and cover letter, as well as during an interview. Develop talking points by preparing a list of potential interview questions and bulleted answers. If you would like to practice your answers, repeat them aloud to a friend or family member. Number 5, consider freelancing. You may consider freelancing or working as a contractor while you are searching for a new job. Having a part-time or side job can allow you to survive while searching for a full-time position. Who knows, you may make a connection that leads to a 9-to-5 job, or you may decide that freelancing is more suitable for you. Number 6, take a temporary position. Despite a poor economy, interim staffing can be used to fill a temporary vacancy. You may also work as a temporary employee for a company that interests you. There are numerous temp positions that are well paid and can assist you in paying bills until you are offered a permanent position. Number 7, sweat the small stuff. Don't overlook the importance of personal touches in a competitive job market. Although a cover letter template can assist you in getting started, you should not use the same letter for every application. It is preferable to ensure that each letter addresses specific skills or qualities that the company is looking for. It is always a good idea to send a thank you note or email after the interview. This correspondence can be used to review areas of your interview that need improvement or to continue the discussion. Number 8, stay positive. Maintaining a positive attitude is essential when seeking employment during difficult economic times. New opportunities crop up every day in a job market with high unemployment. It is estimated that there are millions of jobs available every month. Even if each job seeker is looking for only one job, those are pretty good odds. Do not be concerned with the number of jobs available or not available. You're just looking for one job, the right one for you.